The BOHA workstation has hot swappable printer mechanisms. This means replacing them is fast and easy. First, power down the BOHA workstation. Removing a printer mechanism with the device powered on will cause an alarm to sound, and you'll be forced to power down to stop the alarm. Lift open the BOHA workstation front cover. Remove any labels from the printer mechanisms you're replacing. To do so, push the blue lever to the left to release the cover and remove the roll of labels. Close the printer mechanism. Place your hand on both sides of the printer mechanism and lift up. Now, take your new printer mechanism, align it in place, and push down. Next, we'll put our labels back into the device by pushing on the blue lever to release the printer mechanism cover. Place the label roll in the paper bucket and feed it through the open area. Close the printer mechanism cover. Lower the BOHA workstation front cover and power the workstation back on. The labels will automatically feed to a line. You're ready to start printing again.